Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you about how to play Fortnite on your school Chromebook. So if you are using a Chromebook on your school and you feel like playing Fortnite on it and skipping some classes, then this video is the one for you. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open up any browser that you have. I'll open Google Chrome in this case. And then what you have to do is you have to go to your browser and type Xbox Cloud Gaming. So for this step, I would recommend that you either have an Xbox account or you have a Microsoft account, as Microsoft and Xbox are one. So you should have either one of the account. That would help. And then you can go here. And once when you're here, right now I don't have an Xbox or a Microsoft account, so I'll just tell you how does this work. But making the account is very easy and it's pretty self-explanatory. You have to put your email. You have to make an email and then you have to put some security questions and their answers, and then you're good to go. So once when you're here, you can type Fortnite here. Let me just do it. Yeah, here it is. And once when you have signed in, and once when you have fulfilled their requirements, and if your school Chromebook garners all the essential, I would say, features that needs to be there in order to play this game, then you're good to go. Then there will be an option of play game here, and once when you click here, you will be redirected to Fortnite, where you can play here on this website of Xbox. However, if you don't want to make an Xbox account or a Microsoft account, the next thing that you can do is you can go here to GeForce Now, and once when you're here, you will go here and open up the second link. And once when you do it, you can click here, agree and continue. And then you can go here, get in. So now you have to log in. If you don't have an account, you have to click sign up. But once when you do it, once when you sign up, then you will be redirected to their game library. And in their game library, you can type Fortnite, just like I did here, like in the game library. There's this game library here, right? A similar game library will be showed here. Then what you can do is you can click on search bar of this and type Fortnite. And then when you'll see the option of Fortnite, you can click on it and then you can click on play. So you just have to create a very, I would say, easy account, easy to make account here on GeForce, just like you did here. But here it shouldn't be of Microsoft only. You can create your account through any email, and once when you make your account, then you can just play the game right away. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.